Most plant-based meal kits feel like they were designed by a spreadsheet rather than a chef. You get the kale, you get the quinoa, and you get that lingering sense of deprivation that usually follows a meal that feels more like a chore than a reward. Purple Carrot actually flipped that script back in 2014. They were the very first ones to really claim the fully vegan space in a US market that was still obsessed with steak and potatoes. I'm talking about things like buffalo mac and cheese or chicken and dumplings, where the chicken is replaced by meaty oyster mushrooms. These are not just side dishes or sad salads. They are full-blown flavor profiles that make you forget you are skipping the meat entirely. They have about 16 different options every single week. Some of these are kits you cook yourself in about 30 minutes. Others are ready-to-heat meals that are finished in under 5. You can filter the menu by high protein, gluten-free, or low sodium. But here is the real kicker. The food actually tastes good. Even people who live for a burger have walked away from these dishes feeling surprised. That matters because plant-based food has this long reputation for being the virtuous choice, but rarely the craveable one. Purple Carrot seems to have cracked that code. There's some serious substance here too. Some of the heartier meals hit 22 grams of protein per serving. That is enough to keep an athlete happy, though some of the lighter dishes hover around 18 grams. You do have to watch the salt though. One single meal can cover up to 40% of your daily sodium limit. That is a massive chunk for one sitting and something to track if you are monitoring your heart health. The price point is another thing to chew on. We are looking at $11 to $13 per person for every single serving. Since the end of 2025, those rates have stayed on the higher side. Do not expect to swap out ingredients either. The menu is fixed. If they miss an item in your box, they give you store credit. That is a nice gesture. But store credit does not put dinner on the table on a Tuesday night when you are starving. What really sets them apart is who's pulling the strings behind the scenes. Since 2019, they have been owned by a massive Japanese organic company. This parent company has a network of over 4,000 farmers in its supply chain. That is a staggering number of people growing food. That level of infrastructure is exactly why the ingredient quality stays so consistent week after week. Most people never connect those dots. They just see the purple box on the pouch. But that global backing is incredibly hard to replicate. If you are a committed vegan or vegetarian, this is likely the gold standard for meal kits. For everyone else, it is a solid way to sneak more plants into your life without feeling like you are eating grass. Just keep an eye on your budget and your specific macros before you commit. It delivers on the promise of big flavor, but you have to decide if that premium price fits your lifestyle. Finding a meal kit that actually respects your palate while skipping the animal products is rare, and this one handles that balance better than most.